Now, each and every one of you probably doesn't know how this is done. He's probably looking at the front of a saddle and thinking, how does that piece of leather get on there? Well, you've seen me cut it out, you've seen me stitch it, and here we go. And isn't that always the way someone sends you a message, right when you got wet glue going on? Now I've got to work pretty quick here because I've got glue on this, and you can see that I've already pretty much got this on. Now I use a staple gun here just to hold this. There's nothing structural about it, it just holds it down. I put 2 staples on each side. Now my head's going to get in the way here, but sorry about that. As I say, I can't really stop too much here because this glue goes off really quickly, and once we get that happening, I'm in trouble. So these knee pads, for now, that's it. I'll go ahead and nail up under here, and then I'll continue to rub this in and finish that off. But that's how quickly those knee pads can go on once you've done all your homework before you get to this point. If you do all that properly, this part is pretty simple. But if you don't do all the other steps in order and get everything just right, this can be an absolute nightmare. Okay, thank you for watching.